Avantree CK11 hands-free Bluetooth 5.0 car kits, loud speakerphone, supports Siri Google Assistant. Converse clearly advanced CSR Bluetooth 5.0 chipset, built-in 2W speakers echo and background noise reduction feature and volume controls. Your calls will be crystal clear no matter where you are. Distraction-free driving encourages safe driving by using Siri. INNOTRIK Bluetooth conference speaker with microphone, 360-degree voice pickup. Smooth and effectively conference experience without any disruption. Our premium Bluetooth conference speaker with microphone can help focus on the conference systems other than losing attention if any disruption due to the technical issues. Easy to set up and not distort by plugging the Bluetooth beyerdynamic PHONUM Bluetooth / USB speakerphone beamforming mics with 360 degrees voice tracking. Versatile speakerphone, a portable hands-free speaker solution for home offices and conference rooms using audio or video call apps such as Skype or Zoom. At a mere 16 ounces, the PHONUM features a 12-hour rechargeable battery and portable travel case. Voice tracking and optimization. Gecko technology is focused on the type of communication with 3 distinct Bluetooth speakerphone, eMeet Luna conference speaker, W/enhanced noise reduction algorithm, daisy chain, with dongle USB speakerphone for home. New background noise reducing technology and speech enhancement. eMeet Luna Bluetooth speakerphone features exclusive updated voice IA technology, eliminating background noise such as air conditioning noise, keyboard clicks, and general background noise. With the auto vocal increase function, this USB conference speakerphone is able to identify the distance of the sound source, automatically adjust the sound volume to realize self-volume balance, and provide a smooth and clear call experience. Anker PowerConf Bluetooth speakerphone, 6 mics, enhanced voice pickup. Media acclaimed, Forbes says whether it's used as a portable conference phone or as a speakerphone in a conference room, the Anker PowerConf works remarkably well. 360 degrees coverage. 6 microphones arranged in a 360 degrees array pick up voices from all directions to instantly transform any space at home